Hey guys, today I have a different video for you. It is not makeup related, it is not hair related, it is life related, which I don't really talk to you guys much about, like, you know, my day-to-day life unless I'm vlogging. Then you do get kind of an insight on my life. But I have a big announcement. I am pregnant. I am so excited about this, and it's been really hard not telling you guys, especially like on Instagram, because I haven't posted any outfit of the days in quite some time because I don't want to really, and you would have probably been able to kind of figure it out, at least kind of recently. You would have been like, Liz, look like you're putting some weight on. No, I don't think anybody would have said that, but anyways, I just wanted to make a quick video where I announced it so that it's all out there, and yeah, I can talk about it more and it's not some big secret anymore. So I wrote down a few things that I wanted to talk about, things I thought you guys might ask or want to know about. I am in the beginning of my second trimester. The due date is July 4th, which is Independence Day. I'm fully aware that that probably won't be the baby's birthday, but that's the due date at the moment. My birthday, by the way, is July 8th. So I'm gonna have a baby right around my 30th birthday, which is pretty crazy. Let's see, I've been to the doctor a couple of times already. We've seen the baby on a sonogram. We've heard the heartbeat multiple times. We've seen the baby on sonograms multiple times as well. And when this video goes up, I will have gone to the doctor again, just for another checkup. I don't really think there's anything else to talk about with the doctor. I've just been going for like normal checkups. Yeah, everything's been going good with that. So symptoms, I have been very tired, like very, very tired. That is why I haven't been posting as much. I get to the weekend and I just literally do not want to do anything. And I'm lucky if I clean the house at all. Like, I'm so lucky if I even just do that. So that's why you haven't seen a whole lot of me lately. I get to the weekend and I'm just like, I don't know what to film, and I really kind of don't feel like it. So I haven't been making myself do that. I was nauseous for pretty much the entire first trimester, very nauseous. In the beginning, I wasn't eating. I actually lost a little bit of weight, just a couple pounds. It wasn't anything like drastic. Because nothing sounded good, which is weird because now I'm pretty hungry. I have been having some trouble sleeping, like my hip hurts. I need to, I think it's really just comes down to the fact that I do not like sleeping on my side. I've always been a stomach sleeper, and not being able to do that anymore has been difficult. I do have the Snoogle pillow, the body pillow, which at some point I want to talk about some of the stuff that I've bought. I'll get back to all of that. But I did buy that pillow quite a while ago, and I really just wanted something to help me kind of train me to sleep on my side. It is the most comfortable if you're on your side, which is nice. I do like that pillow. I would recommend it. But my hip hurts at night, so I wake up because of that. I never did get sick. Like, I never actually got sick. And I had a lot of food aversions. I'm trying to think of like what specifically. I think in the beginning all I would want to eat were like carbs. Just carbs. That was all I could like really stand to eat. So I'd eat like a lot of bagels, just pasta, whatever I could get down. I am noticing like heartburn now, which is tons of fun. And I'm still pretty tired. Like, I was falling asleep before 9 o'clock last night on the couch because I cannot stay awake for the life. Cannot stay awake for the life of me. And it's just terrible. And then it's like 4 a.m. and I'm already waking up. So that's lovely. It's really not that bad. I think I've been pretty lucky when it comes to symptoms. You know, I've had ups and downs, but I read or I hear about other women, their symptoms, and it just sounds pretty horrible. So I know I'm pretty lucky in how everything's been going so far. Cravings, lately, like I said before, I was eating a lot of carbs, so I was craving those. And then more recently, I've really been craving sweets, which is not good. Pretty much since I got like any bit of my appetite back. It's been junk, total junk. I've been trying not to eat like tons of it so that I'm not gaining a ton of weight, because I'm hoping to not have a pregnancy like that. I don't want to have the baby and then like have tons of weight to lose. I'm hoping to avoid that, but I know it's probably unavoidable at this point. Other cravings. Ooh, one night I wanted biscuits and gravy for dinner really bad. So we went to the grocery store and got it, and I came home and made it. That's how bad I wanted it. Which sounds pretty silly now. The one thing that's been driving me absolutely bonkers is I want sushi. I think I posted it on my Instagram story that I made sushi because I'm just dying to have it. I don't necessarily need the uncooked fish. That's not what I'm looking for. I think I just want like the sushi rice, just everything like compacted into one little bite-sized piece, and like some sauce on it, dip it in soy sauce. Like I just want to do that. I don't know, it sounds so weird. So anyways, I made veggie sushi at home. That's the one thing that's been driving me crazy, because it's really the one thing I need to kind of be avoiding. I can't think of any other cravings. I'm probably forgetting something. We do plan on finding out the gender. We should know sometime in February, and I probably won't let you guys know like right away. I'll have to wait until like we finish telling everybody, our parents and friends, and then I will probably announce it. Maybe not over here, but definitely on like Instagram probably. I probably will. So yeah, I can't wait to find out. I really want to find out because I want to find out if I need to paint the room or not. Right now it's like turquoise with Valspar sparkles in it, which just isn't really, it isn't like the worst color. I could make it work for a boy or a girl when it comes to a nursery, not a toddler room necessarily, maybe for a girl, but I don't think it's how I'm picturing the nursery. So I think either way we're gonna have to paint it, and I really don't want to because I just had to do the closet. The closet was in pretty bad shape. I decided I really didn't like the hardware that was in it, so I had my husband take all of that out, patch it up, and I went ahead and painted it just like an off-white color. And then we bought a system from Ikea. I actually don't have all the pieces yet, but maybe once it's like more finished, maybe I'll post pictures on Instagram about that. But yeah, I just kind of want to find out the gender so I can start like planning the room. And then, of course, buying clothes for either a girl or a boy. That is also quite important to me. I would like to do like a nursery tour, but obviously that's not going to happen for quite some time. But I would like to do that. I would like tell me if there's any videos that you would like to see. Would you mind seeing hauls? Would you mind seeing like a nursery tour? Vlogs about it, about what's going on, what we're doing. I would like to share that with you guys. I would like to document that, I think, even just for myself. So hopefully that'll happen. Hopefully, it probably won't be like a whole lot of stuff though. Probably talking like a few videos over the course of the next 6 or 7 months. What I've bought so far. So I told you I bought the pillow. I bought the Ingrid and Isabel BellaBand. I think I'm saying that right. It's basically this black band. It's actually pretty big. It's pretty long, and it goes around your stomach area so that you can leave your pants unbuttoned and it will hold your pants up. At least that's what women use it like in the early stages of pregnancy. So I bought that so that I could get a little bit more use out of my work pants specifically, because I don't mind buying like clothes, casual clothes for like the weekend and stuff. That's more fun, but like buying new work pants really doesn't sound fun to me. So I figured I'll buy this band, use that as long as I can, and then eventually I know I'm gonna have to buy new pants. I know it's not gonna work forever, but I figured it'd get me through, hopefully. Like, I just started wearing it this week. Yeah, just this week. I'm hoping it'd get me through like maybe early March, hopefully. Hopefully. Let's cross our fingers. I got it in black. I think it comes in different colors. I probably got mine on Amazon, but you can get it at Target. can get it at different places. You can probably get it at Motherhood Maternity as well. The other things that I've bought for myself, I have bought, oh gosh, I should have brought this stuff in the room. I'll try to make a list of this stuff and like include it down below. I bought bio oil. I bought a bottle of that. It is so much cheaper on Amazon. If you're gonna buy it, totally get it on Amazon. Walmart was like $12 more than Amazon. And Target was even more than Amazon. It was only 10 bucks on Amazon. Can I say Amazon again? I also got the Burt's Bees Belly Butter. I think it's a belly butter. I got that as well, just to kind of start using them. I hate putting lotion on, but I've found that I am actually applying this. So I normally apply one of those two in the evening because they're thicker and I don't really want to put my clothes on over top of them like and go out for the day because they sit there. They're very heavy. And I also don't want to ruin any of my clothes, so I put them on at night, put my pajamas on and just go to bed. And then during the day I just use like an everyday Aveeno kind of lotion on my stomach. I'm fully aware that I'm probably not going to be able to avoid stretch marks, but I can try, right? I can put a little bit of effort into it. I have also bought some things from Motherhood Maternity. I bought a pair of black pants. I bought a pair of blue jeans. I really appreciate that they have short length pants. And I think I just wanted to get them so that I was prepared, you know, with an item to wear like on Fridays to work or on the weekends. And they're way more comfortable because they've just got that really long piece of elastic that just stretches over your stomach. So, and I've definitely started showing. It's minimal, but it's there. And I also got a shirt from there which is really cute. I wore this whole outfit yesterday that was so cute and I really wanted to show you guys, but I was pretty sure I probably shouldn't post it yet until after this video, so I'll probably be sharing more outfit of the day pictures with you guys. I think that's about all I bought for myself. For the baby, I've bought, oh, let's see. While I was at Ikea, I picked up a pack of their muslin blankets. I heard that they were really good. They wash well, they just get softer. So I was like, you know what, we're here, we're picking up closet stuff. Let me just get a pack of it now because I was dying to buy baby stuff. I'm trying to wait to buy a whole lot of stuff until obviously we find out if it's a boy or girl. And I also bought one little outfit from Carter's that is totally gender neutral. It has owls on it. I know, you're surprised. No, you're not. I know you're not. I think that's about it though. I've been, you know, researching stuff, trying to figure out what it is that I want to get for certain items, but that's really all I've bought so far. I think that's about it. I don't really know what else to cover, and I feel like this video got way longer than I thought it was going to. If you have any suggestions of anything, please leave it down below for me or for baby. It doesn't even have to be necessarily newborn. If it's something that, like, you know, you're like, my 2-year-old has this and I love it, feel free to leave it down below. I've always got my ears open. I'm ready for suggestions. I've been doing tons of research on different products and stuff, so probably too much research, let's be honest, but I've researched a lot of the bigger items like furniture and stroller and car seat. You know, those are big items that cost a lot of money. So yeah, if you have any suggestions, please feel free to leave them down below. And if you have any questions for me, leave those down below as well if I left anything out. I think I covered just about everything. I think I did. Everybody in our life, like in our personal life, knows we told all of our family over Christmas and told work when we got back to work after Christmas. We told everybody else. And I don't really know why I waited this long to tell you guys. I think I kind of wanted to wait until I was pretty far along. I think that just made me feel a little bit more comfortable. I think that's what it was. So anyways, that was everything. I hope you guys have had a really good week. I'm gonna try to get back on track. My BoxyCharm box is coming next week. I'm really irritated. Actually, when this video goes up, I will probably have received it today, that day. The day that this video is going up, I should have received it. So I'll film that next weekend. I've seen some spoilers. I can't wait to open it up. And I'll leave some stuff listed down below in the description box, any of the products that I mentioned. But yeah, just let me know if there's anything that you guys would like to see, you know, hauls or whatever. I think baby hauls are fun, like even if you don't have a baby, because stuff's so cute. Alright, let me wrap this up. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also hit the subscribe button, that means a lot to me. You can also follow me on Instagram. I might post, you know, a few more things over there than over here when it comes to baby related stuff, just because it's quicker and easier to post stuff over there. So be sure to go follow me on Instagram. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and until next time, bye. Today it is not oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm feeling. I forgot to mention that I have like the worst runny nose. Did anybody else experience a runny nose when they were pregnant? I've only really started paying attention to this since my last doctor's appointment. I'm gonna sneeze again. When you're pregnant, this can happen. Great. So I'm just gonna have a runny nose through summer.